Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2023 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this iconic silver, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the XLT Sport Package as well as the trailer tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, that nice backup camera right there. We have mud flaps on both rear and front wheel wells, as well as a nice gripped running board. We also have a side view camera right there. And moving to the front, we do have two tow hooks for your towing necessities, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the interior, we can see this vehicle comfortably sits up to 5 pretty nicely. We do have this nice dark slate cloth interior. We do have two cup holders, a 12-volt outlet, a USB and a USB-C, and a 120-volt outlet right there. Plenty of door space as well. A B&O sound system, which makes your music sound pretty nice. And looking at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are powered with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. We do have plenty of door space as well. Your parking brakes there, pedal adjusters, your lights, and your gas cap. Two blind spot detections, and of course your tailgate opener. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 41.7 kilometers. We do have a nice leather wrap steering wheel. You have your toggle for your main menu up there. Phone, media, volume and voice and cruise control right there. Now looking at your main menu, you have My View, Trip and Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. Now looking over here, you do have a nice collapsible gear shift, which provides you with a lot of extra room. You do have a nice little phone holder, two cup holders, a fair bit of storage down there, with a USB and a USB-C. You have your four-wheel drive capabilities, rear axle lock, and drive modes. With your drive modes, you do get normal, tow and haul, eco, and sport. And all the way to the right, we get slippery, deep sand and snow, and mud and ruts. And looking over here, you do have two heated front seats, dual climate, 12-volt outlet, 120-volt outlet, volume tune controls. You have your trailer trailer disconnect, and then Pro Trailer Assist. And you have your Pro Power onboard, and then you have your 360 view of the vehicle, hazards, and traction control. Now looking at your main menu here, you do have Sirius XM capabilities with your music, phone, navigation, your Fave app, which you can select whatever one you want, such as your Wi-Fi hotspot, power flow, so on and so forth, and any apps you do have downloaded, such as Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, settings, such as Sirius XM, connectivity, and so on and so forth. Features such as driving assist, Pro Power onboard, zone lighting, towing, power flow, and owner's manual. And of course, looking right here, this does open up for more storage, and storage in the glove box, of course. And we do have a nice rear window opener, which is pretty handy. And of course, we do have a nice leather wrap center console. With opening it up, you do get plenty of room with this being able to move side to side or take it out completely, providing you with a USB and USB-C. The stock number for this vehicle is FD00824, and if interested, head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.